The art and science of call-only ads. How to make your local business phone ring again. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Morii Media YouTube channel. My name is Morii. In this video, I want to quickly go over the art and science of call-only ads and why it's essential and how it can help your local business's phone ring again. All right? So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media, from Google ads to Facebook ads to paid media plans, all that good stuff. So if you are a local business and you need help with your advertising, feel free to book a free discovery 30-minute call with me where I'll ask you a series of questions to get a better understanding of how your business is. What are your goals? What are your campaign goals? And you will have the opportunity to ask me questions and pick my brain, and from there we can see if it's a good fit. Be sure to also check out my free resources for paid media. I have different resources for like Google templates, Google ad templates, paid media plans, all that good stuff. Be sure to check all that out in the description down below. Now, let's go ahead and get into this video. I only have 15 minutes to make this, so I'm going to not waste too much of your time. So if you are a local business owner, you know the anxiety that comes when your phone just isn't ringing, right? In a world where online map results are shrinking, paid ads dominate over the whole, paid ads dominate above the fold space, okay? They dominate. And big brands crowded out local organic results, so it's easy to feel like you're invisible to the potential customer. So for many, this problem is all too real, okay? You've tried agency after agency. You probably went to different agencies, you switched strategy, and you just can't seem to generate qualified leads from your online marketing, especially for paid search campaign. But there's good news, because now we have a call-only ads, which are a powerful way to receive inbound calls and attract local customers and boost your bottom line. So, why call-only ads work for local businesses? Well, call-only ads and Google ads are designed for one goal only, and that's to get prospective customers to pick up the phone and call your business directly from the search result, okay? So with mobile usage at an all-time high, many people are searching for immediate solutions. So think of urgent services like a locksmith, right? Like a locksmith, or a HVAC repair, or a dentist, right? Or your local food deliverer, okay? For these customers, for these companies, right? Calling is more efficient than just filling out a form or waiting for an email reply. So if you can be the first, best, and most trustworthy answer to their need, then you'll win the calls and likely the sale. So why? So let's talk about the psychology of the searcher. All right. Before you launch a call-only campaign, you need a step intro. Well, you need to step into the shoes of your customer. So you need to ask yourself a few questions. Is there a need? Is there an urgent need or time sensitivity? Oh, excuse me. Is their need urgent or time sensitive? Are they searching from a mobile device and looking for a quick answer? And would they feel more comfortable talking to a real person? So Write these questions down, answer them. And if you answer yes, your business is probably a great fit for call only ads. But preparation is crucial. So you want to make sure your staff is trained to answer calls quickly, professionally, and with clear next steps, whether if it's booking an appointment or giving a quote or closing a sale. So you want to use call tracking tools like call record tracking is essential for you monitoring your lead quality and consistently optimizing your campaign. All right. So, when it comes to building a high performing call only campaign, number one, you want to understand the market and the competitive landscape. Okay. So by searching your core keywords on your phone or on your own phone, note which businesses show up, what their ads will look like, and if they use call only format. What are the value props? What value props do they highlight? Are they offering instant quote, 24/7 service, or local experience or expertise? So by understanding the local search results, you can craft ad copy that stands out and addresses common concerns up front. Okay. Number two, you want to choose intent-driven keywords, right? So you want to choose intent-driven keywords, which is very crucial, that will literally make or break your campaign. Okay. So success with call only ads is about intent, not just search volume or cost per click. Okay. So you want to focus on keyword modifiers like near me, call now, 24/7 service, emergency, or your specific city or region. So you want to consider targeting competitor brand keywords as well, especially if it's national brand especially if the national brands overlook the local call only option. So you want to analyze your search term reports frequently to ensure you're bidding on keywords that drive qualified calls. Next, you want to craft compelling ad copy. So your ad copy is essential for your landing page in the call only campaign. It's really important, and it must quickly communicate trust, pricing transparency, and a strong reason to call, which can include details like insured and license, right? That comes across as trustworthy. Local expert, trustworthy. Free estimate, insured, local experts, all that good stuff. Fast response, very important. So make sure that your business name, phone number, and value proposition are clear and prominent. Okay. Step 4, you want to optimize the customer experience. There's no point of doing all this work if whenever you get leads, the customer experience is not that good, right? So the user's journey doesn't just end when you get a click. It just begins. Okay. So you want to use call tracking to record and analyze your call. You want to review how your staff is handling the inquiries, monitoring hold times, and making sure that you're not missing calls. So you want to get feedback from these conversations, which can as a result inspire new ad copy and help you refine your targeting and improving your results over time. All right, last but not least, you want to monitor and improve. So you want to analyze your data regularly. Your keywords, you want to ask yourself, are your keywords driving the right calls? are staffing converting calls into book jobs or sales, right? You also want to test new ad copy. You want to experiment with bidding strategies and keep your campaigns fresh. And you want to remember that context and responsiveness matter just as much as the technical side of paid search. You want the overall experience to be great, okay? So, why call only ads matter in today's paid search landscape? Why do they matter? Well, call only ads provide local businesses with a direct, trackable, and conversion focused way to connect with real customers when they are ready to make a purchase. They're particularly effective in industries where customers require an immediate answer or a solution, while digital marketers can feel digital marketing can feel complicated and crowded. This ad format cuts through the noise and puts your business in front of people who need you the most. Okay? So if you're struggling to make your phone ring, or if you want to get more out of your Google ads, out of your Google ad budget, you might want to consider investing in a well-structured, intent-driven call-only campaign, so that way you are able to train your staff, track your calls, and watch your inbound leads grow. Okay? So if you are needing help with setting up your call-only ads, feel free to book a discovery call with me today. I'll be more than glad to help you out, see where I can help. And if it makes sense for me to work with you and us to work with each other, then we can take it from there. If not, no hard feelings. Also, be sure to check out my Upwork profile where you can see my results and what I specialize in a lot deeper. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Be nice in the comments, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. And with that being said, peace.